I'm going to start by working this wheelhouse out. I'm gonna weld this tab on the edge right here. I have a Volkswagen Jetta here with quite a bit of quarter panel damage all throughout this area, as well as the rear door has damage right in there. So I'm gonna straighten this whole side out. I'm going to start by working this wheelhouse out, get that where it's supposed to be, and then I'll start working out the center of the panel. And then once I get the quarter panel worked out, I will move my way up to the rear door, straighten that one out as well. So it looks like the edge of this quarter panel where it meets up with the rear door is actually pushed in just a little bit. It's not a lot, but to get that correct, I'm gonna weld this tab on the edge right here, and I'm gonna use that just to bring that edge out just a little bit so it's flush. Looks like that walked right out. Now we're nice and flush. So I'm going to cut that back off and finish working this panel. So I have this one all fit together. I wanted to make sure my bumper all lined up properly and everything looks good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lift the bumper back off and get this one taped up and primed up.